My name is Milena Georgieva and I'm an associate professor in molecular biology at the Bulgarian Academy of Sciences. I'm also lead editor at a couple of scientific journals and a reviewer to many more. The abstract part then is followed by the introduction part. And yes, we know that it's the introduction part that would introduce the reader to the research, but we should know that the introduction part is 2 to 3 times longer than the abstract, mostly 3 times. So we talk about 4 paragraphs, 4 sections in this introduction section, which should be no more than 800 words in length. Even this is more, but depends on what and how we would develop our scientific idea. So the first pylon around which we build the introduction part is the general overview of the scientific literature on the research topic that we discuss. Then follows the second small paragraph of pylon, in which, by the way, we have to refer to all specific data which are focused on the research topic that we address in our research paper. And here we refer to other authors' data, we provide references, and we build the whole scientific idea around which our research paper will be structured. Moreover, very importantly here, we should address the gaps in the scientific literature, which we would address with our work later on. It's very important. Then follows the third section, the third pylon in the introduction part, and this is the statement, the strong statement that we have to provide in order to allow the reader that with our approach we would address these gaps that have been already identified in the scientific literature that we have already referred in the previous pylons or parts of the introduction section. And then follow the main results very briefly with the main future perspectives. Those parts, the abstract and the introduction part, are very important because indeed they're the first steps into our work, and also they draw the whole idea around which our research paper later on will be built. So bear this in mind. The abstract is shorter, it has to be written in a neat and comprehensible manner and language, but also should represent and reflect the high literacy of the writer, of the author, while the introduction part should be written in a more scientific, highly academic language. Of course, abbreviations are allowed here, and also the main difference is that in the introduction part we input references, and this is very important, and also we do not provide ideas or details about our methods and materials. We just briefly state on our results and then define the future perspectives of our work, just to catch the reader's attention and allow him to dive deep into our research paper later on.